Good day, my name is Kwasi Tong, and my purpose this afternoon is to give you an overview of the system that I built for the purpose of this coursework. So I'm just going to give you an overview of the homepage, which is I consider to be very user-friendly. We can see the different categories of vehicle using some bootstrap functionality. The other areas where we can see different categories of vehicles by using these buttons as opposed to using the accordion function. Okay, so I'm signed in here as administrator. So we'll start with the IMS function first, and I'll just give an overview of these links. Now, to start with, since we're speaking about purchasing of vehicles, we purchase vehicles from suppliers. So if I just go to the manage suppliers link, I would be able to show you the list of suppliers that is in the system. It's a bit slow, sorry. All right, there we go. And let's just create a supplier real quickly, and we're going to call this supplier test. Okay, for the purpose of this demonstration, all our data entries are going to be test. Okay, gmail.com. Address is going to be Kent. Phone number is going to be that, and let's check let's just say today's date. Okay, so if we go to our last bit of information, we can see this is the last one that was set up. Okay, so we can go to manage vehicles because we're all about entering vehicles and all that good stuff. There are a host of vehicles that I have here already. So if I just create one quickly, make is going to be Toyota. Model is going to be Yaris. Year model, let's just put today's year. The cost of this vehicle is £500. It's a manual transmission. Registration number is GF. MOT date. I'm just doing this as a way of presenting the data to you, and the condition is used. Okay, and there we go. And I'll just show you the last set of information, and there we go. Okay, so let's purchase a vehicle from a supplier. Okay, so we're going to go here, and the sale date is going to be was yesterday. Delivery date is going to be today. The cost of the vehicle is going to be £15–20, and we're buying, say, 6 of those vehicles, and we're buying some BMWs, and we're getting them from BMW of Kent. We're going to create that, and let's get that, and there we go. And we see our final detail. It works out the total price, and there we have it. We can also a customer may also purchase a vehicle. He may go already in. Purchase date is going to be today's date. Cost of vehicle is, let's say, $15–20. He's buying 2 of those. Work out a 15% VAT. We go straight to the detail of that vehicle, and there we go. Works out the VAT and total price. Another functionality that I thought that was very important was to do a hire purchase where a customer may not have all the money to do that, to purchase a vehicle. So this customer is buying a vehicle on hire purchase. Hire purchase date was last week Saturday. Payment date is going to be would have been 27. Cost of vehicle may be, let's say, £1,530. Amount deposited, let's say, £600. The next payment date is going to be the next month on the 7th. We create that, and there's our detail. Now this is a detail list. So the initial cost of the vehicle is 15, down payment, and this is a balance due to that particular customer. Also work out something about commission for staff. So if a staff may have sold a vehicle, Alfie sold that vehicle, the cost of the vehicle may be £600, but there's a validation that so the vehicles must be over £900 and £2,000 in order for a commission to be worked out. So if we do that now and we go to the details, we see the commission received by this employer is £272. Now, other functionalities for the system includes any user, whether a logged in user or a general user, may be able to send information to the business. So we're going to use test, as we did say, and we're using test, and email is going to be tst@gmail.com. phone number, just going to put something else. Would like a show, please get back to me. Okay, and that information is going to be sent via email, and then we have a success message sent there. So if we just go to if we go to my inbox, where we have the other where we have the email sent, and we go to there and we check, we say, and there we have our comment. So users may go to the system, send information, and they will receive that information. Another function is that of the just going to log in as a user, as a salesperson, and we're just going to see the functionality of a salesperson uploading information to the site for whether it be sale information, new vehicles offered. Okay, so the salesperson will go to upload an event section, and he or she will choose the file, and for this purpose we'll be looking for this red vehicle. Now there may be another one, so if there's another one, there should be two red vehicles in there now. Okay, so we're just going to open, and we get our success message. Now I have another file open already, so I'm just gonna log in as a just gonna log out, and I'm gonna log in as a user. Okay, and I'm gonna go view events, and there's our red vehicle. Sorry, there we go, that's our red vehicle. Okay, so a user may be able to sign in, go to the system, make sure that they can view all the vehicles that they would like to view, and send information, which is most important. Now, as a logged in user as well, he or she may be able to change the viewing of what they actually viewing. So they may be able to go in design view or list view, however they would like to do so as well. Now, if I would just like to show you something else, if I log in as an admin person, an admin person may control his users as well. So let's create a role, and this role we're going to call this University of Hertz, or super user. Okay, so we're going to add a role, and this role we're going to call it Hertz Uni. So that's our role. So we're going to save that role, and we're going to view the list, and here we are, Hertz Uni. Now we're going to manage users. I have a user in the system that is called let's say user@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to add that user to Hertz. Now, what we can see now, this user is now part of the Hertz role, but there's a function as well where I can delete that user from Hertz. And if I go back and check the user in a role, And there we are. So this is a very good function for the admin to have, to actually add users, delete users, etc., etc. Now, my time is just about expired, so I hope that I would have shown you enough function and functionalities so that I would have met the requirements. Thank you very much and have a good evening.